Right guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to do a road texture on your miniatures. Now, everything you're going to see in these videos are filmed previously to filming this. So some things don't add up. So like I said I was going to dry brush a lighter grey on the roads, well the road texture kind of thing. I didn't. I like the way it looked with a few more black coats. So yeah, there's going to be a bit of difference in the way things are said and all that. But yeah, what I'll do is I'll stop babbling now and I'll let you watch this and hopefully you learn something from this. So all I can say is enjoy. Right then guys, like I said, in this episode we're going to be I'm going to show you the base roads or like modern day streets, something like that, you know. The model I'm going to be showing you on is from Zombicide. So, you know, games like that this works perfectly with. To start off, I've put a layer of the texture on it, so gravel, like a thin gravel, just a little coating, you know. I've done it off camera. If you want to see how I've done it, go over to the previous video on how to do the wastelands, and that just shows you how I've slapped it on there and stuff like that. So with this one, the next step is to darken this down. It's the same process as the last video, is to put a wash onto the area. As you can see, darkening down quite a bit. And this is what I want. I want to darken this down enough so that it looks, I don't know how to put it, really, really dark. Because then I'm going to highlight it, well, dry brush on a mid grey and then a dark grey to give that look of tarmac. So there's the first stage. What I will do off camera is put possibly another layer or two of the washes to get this a lot darker, and then we'll come back and I'll show you do the dry brushing and how to paint road lines on it as well to give it that really, really authentic look. Right guys, the next step is to add the finishing touches to this. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a bit of road onto the back, well, the road lines. And I'm going to do a bit of blood splatter on the front. So, first step is the road lines. What you're going to do is you're going to use the paint straight from the pot, and you're going to take off a little bit of the paint because you don't want it to come out like a thick line, like a block. You want it to look like it's been there for quite a while. So you only want a little bit on your brush. Try and make it as straight as possible. I'm going to do it on the back here. What I'm going to do is just draw a little line going across like that. So there, as you can see, it looks a bit bright at the moment. But what I'm going to do is put a bit of a wash on it in a minute, just to bring down the colour. So there, just like the road line behind him. The next step will be the blood. So for this, I'm going to be using a corn red, or you could also use carmine red from Vallejo. It's a few other colours, but it's like a dark red. What I'm going to do here, just do a little few marks on the front of the base, so it looks like blood drops, well, dried blood drops. So for this model, he is holding the axe above, right by his foot, so I just want a few drops hanging around there, and then a few spray marks. And there we go. Now what I'm going to do is Put a wash over this. Just going to use a basic wash of, it's like a brown wash. So for me, it's going to be Agrax Earthshade. I'm just going to wash over the white and the blood so it kind of blends in. So, do the white first. And then we'll just drop some on that brown, the red as well. So, and there you have it. Simple way of doing it. You don't have to do it the same way as I've done it. You could leave out the road lines or leave out the blood or add other things. It's completely up to you. But that's a quick way of doing a road style terrain on your bases. So yeah, if this is any help to you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment below. It really helps me to know what the next thing should be. And until next time, I'll see you.